ये बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रिंकिंग, स्मोकिंग, पार्टीज़ का जो कल्चर चल रहा है, ये आपकी मेंटल फैकल्टीज़ को किस हद तक इम्पैक्ट कर देता है?
If you want to achieve success what other guys achieved in 10 years and you want to achieve it in 2 years, you need to put in more.
Triple
the effort. You need to do things which normal things are not being done. To achieve extraordinary results, they cannot be achieved by ordinary efforts.
Yeah.
You'll come to know it is the hardest training known to man. Not even the best of athletes do it. Because you are putting your body under tremendous stress. A guy like which we eliminated was like, he was an ID expert. He blew a whole bus of soldiers traveling. You are not supposed to be alive. You have to be killed. 25 guys of our innocent guys who were coming back from leave, he blew up in a improvised explosive device. I will kill that man. God has been kind. People have been kind. And Shivendra Kanwar was whatever he was. He's because of the love of the people.
हमारा जो कल्चर आ गया है, कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर एंड ऑल, द पार्टीज, आई मीन नॉट टू डिफेम एनीथिंग, लेकिन ये बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रिंकिंग, स्मोकिंग, पार्टीज का जो कल्चर है चल रहा है, ये आपकी मेंटल फैकल्टीज को किस हद तक इम्पैक्ट कर देता है?
बैकग्राउंड में मैं 4 पैकेट सिगरेट पीता था एक दिन में.
अच्छा.
आई यूज्ड टू ड्रिंक ऑल्सो. आई यूज्ड टू ईट नॉन वेज ऑल्सो. अगर आप मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट में भी मटन दे दोगे तो मैं खा लूंगा. बट दैट वॉज द डेज व्हेन आई वाज 23, 24 till 27, 28. Those were the wild west days. You are just killing militants and living a life. अलग ही दुनिया में जी रहे हो. Sooner or later you need to understand as human beings that your body जो आपने उसको abuse किया है, it will take a toll. So when it came to my third probation when I did, तो मेरे को my love for special forces was so much that मुझे मालूम था कि मुझे quit करना पड़ेगा because I couldn't have sustained that lifestyle. So in 2006 I quit drinking and 2008 I quit smoking. And if you think like presently I'm running 15-20 kilometers and I can vouch for it that if I smoke 4 packets now, I'll not be able to do it. My body will not take that kind of abuse. So drinking and smoking, people who are into it, I would say it's a personal choice, but आप कम करके देखिए उसको because the high of, I think so, killing is much more invigorative than
एक्चुअली like, आपने बोला like you said the high, आपका हाई कुछ और ही था, तो you, I mean, इतना हाई है आपको उसके बारे में कि आपने छोड़ दिया because your passion was so important.
Yeah, I don't know important because मैं मालूम था कि अगर मैं ये अपनी हैबिट्स सुधारूंगा नहीं
तो मुझे उससे छोड़ना पड़ेगा.
मुझे वो छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So people, I think so, people should
identify the right high.
Yeah. So right high in life is important, and smoking, drinking, it's a no norm की. It is not making you faster, stronger. ये तो सब जानते ही हैं. ठीक है, young blood.
People are try करो. उसके बाद सही समय पे समझ जाओ और छोड़ो.
Sure, you can try it. It's your life. Take a decision. But I didn't find anything. I left it only because I didn't find anything positive about it. It's just a thing which is happening. You do it. And it's okay. If I meet my course-mates after say 20 years, we met in the academy, so they will tell me have a puff of cigarette. So I will take a puff, but my sisters will say, "Why did you have puff?" So it's always like that. Why did you do that? Is it good for you? So now one guy, one puff, किसी ने एक sip beer का दे दिया. I don't smoke, drink. I sleep at 9:30, get up at 4:30 in the morning. I don't party. I don't hardly. Army में मैं party नहीं करता था. I was never a party freak. I used to. There are certain occasions where social engagements were necessary. I used to go. You can't avoid it. But if you will ask me कि अपनी नींद खराब करके, I would rather have my stress busters as a morning run. I would find much more invigorative rather than getting up the whole night. Like my friend, my sister says, 12 बजे उठकर फोन करो, happy birthday. सोने दो. New Year. Couple of 2 days back. I am not going to go any for New Year parties. It is beyond. I don't like it. I don't find whole world can do whatever you want to do. Let people do whatever they want. If you find happiness, it is finding your space and your happiness. If you like, do it. And जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज मैं बताना चाहता हूँ वो ये है कि बी सेल्फ टॉट इन लाइफ, यानी अपने खुद के गुरु बनो. डोंट लुक एट पीपल इन बाय रीडिंग बुक्स. जो आपको खुद आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस टीच करेंगे, जो आपकी बॉडी और आपका माइंड बोल रहा है. व्हेन यू हैव पुश्ड द बॉडी एंड योर माइंड टू दोज लेवल्स, तो listen to those kind of things. It is much more effective than listening to people what they are saying. You can gain from their experiences, but your body, before it, like I'll give you example, before it breaks down, it will give you ample signals that you are not doing the things correctly. There is something going wrong with you. It will give you signals. You are overlooking them. Climbing stairs, breathlessness, for a 25, 30, 35, 40-year-old guy, it is a cause of worry. You know that. You know that, yet you have been doing extra rounds of beer and couple of cigarettes you are smoking. No? You need to curtail. Your body gives you a signal. It doesn't happen ki one day it just goes. It is the most resilient thing. And if you don't believe what I am saying, kindly do the Special Forces probation. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
You'll come to know. It is the hardest training known to man. Not even the best of athletes do it. Because you are putting your body under tremendous stress. Athletes, how do they improve? वो पूरी मेहनत करते हैं, अच्छा खाना खाते हैं, अच्छा रेस्ट लेते हैं, and they become the best athletes. Special Forces क्या करती है? उससे ज्यादा रगड़ा देती है, सब कुछ करती है, नींद कम करती है, सब कुछ रोक देती है, आपको आपकी लिमिट्स बता देती है.
क्या रोक देती है?
यानी you are not told to sleep. आप
अच्छा.
प्रोबेशन में आप 90 दिन में आप 1-2 घंटे से ज्यादा नहीं सोता.
90 दिन में 1-2 घंटे से ज्यादा नहीं सोते?
नहीं सोते. There is hell week, आप 1 मिनट भी नहीं सोने देते.
तो आप लिविंग zombies नहीं बन जाते?
बन जाते हैं, but then you are the counter view to it is आपको अपनी हद भी तो मालूम चल रही है. You are exploiting the limits. That is why what people find stressful, I find it like it's good. It's life.
मजाक है.
मजाक ठीक है. I mean, people find high. Bikers in Gurgaon driving at 120 की speed, that is not a high in life. You will get killed, you will kill 2 other people. That is not a high. For them, Sunday morning, getting those high, I also want to drive with that kind of sound, zoom करके आवाज जो आती है.
Not at all. सुबह की नींद
नहीं, मेरे को अच्छी है, नहीं मुझे अच्छी लगती है वो. I want to do it, but that is not the real high.
Yes,
So
of course.
they'll do crazy things to get the high of life, but then there is, ठीक है, you can be.
तो जब ये आप 90 डेज तक आपने बोला कि आपको 1-2 घंटे सोना देते हैं, मतलब आई कैन नॉट इवन फैथम दैट सिचुएशन. लेकिन आई डोंट नो, आपको चीजें, कैन यू वॉक स्ट्रेट, कैन यू लुक स्ट्रेट,
Yeah, you will have hallucinations. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि Smriti is crying with blood rolling down from her cheeks. You have hallucinations. You will find dinosaurs walking. Like मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं एक ही जगह पे वॉक करे जा रहा हूँ, पर मुझे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ये भी रहता है कि यार ये कुछ है. This cannot happen. So I will keep on pushing. So I will sleep when I'm walking. I will fall over again. So that's how human evolves. You will, like in ambush and all, we used to sometimes carry red chilies. नींद आ रही है तो keep it in yourself. This is how do you do it, man? यानी कि 7 days mountains. I used to carry multivitamin tablets as a commander. On this 8th or 9th day, my mental faculties have to work. That split-second decisions. Militant doesn't come like ऐसे आया हथियार दिखाया फिर he's in a Goa sea and sand. He opens a champagne bottle, then drinks with his buddies. He comes for a 5 second, 3, 4. If you don't eliminate him there, you have lost the opportunity, and you might have worked for that kind of operation for 5 months, 6 months, 7 months. It's split. So आप करोगे सब कुछ, यानी you will keep multivitamin tablets, somebody will keep that, somebody will keep this. I've seen team guys keeping लाल मिर्च का पाउडर.
ऐसी ट्रेनिंग के टाइम पे फिर आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि बहुत ऐसे एग्जिट्स भी हो जाते होंगे.
हाँ, छोड़ देते हैं. 100 लोग आएंगे, 5 लोग सेलेक्ट होंगे.
अच्छा.
6 लोग होंगे, कई बार 20 हो जाएंगे, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कोर्स कमिंग. It is a brutal training.
तो फिर आप लोगों की लीग ऑलरेडी एक सुपर ह्यूमंस की लीग ही है.
Yeah, it is a super league. That's why I'm telling you. It is a league which is already. So I'm telling you, ना कि guy who thinks in Gurgaon that he's an alpha, it doesn't exist in force. What? You have not seen life, you have not seen death, you have not fired, you've not killed. I'm not glorifying killing, but what I'm trying to tell you is you've not seen that life. So there's normal stresses of 4G, 5G and internet going and light going off.
Ask the kids today.
It's like I find my both my kids are are not outdoor guys, but they like Call of Duty and they see. मैंने कहा यार, so I tell them कि
The fifth generation of soldiers getting
yeah,
it,
the fifth generation, but they will not join. I don't think so. They will join. I don't want them to join. I want them to have maybe drive Lamborghinis, have girlfriends, enjoy some life. I don't want them to join the special
Every
forces. I
parent's
don't want
dreams,
them.
है ना?
I really don't want them. But then it's their choice.
Yeah.
I don't force them for anything. But then that's life. But what I want to tell them is, even if they want to become a rock star, become the best rock star in the
best.
world.
Absolutely.
I want them to be the best version of them. That is what I strived for. That is what I strive till now. So, maybe.
How do your kids deal with this pressure of being the sons of Colonel Shivendra
yeah. So
Kanwar?
they have a lot of pressure. I will narrate you an incident that my elder son, one day he was, I think so, now he's 14, he might be 10 or 11. So he used to see in Agra, we were there, so all airborne trainings going on, people running. This. So one day he comes and asks me, मेरे को पूछा कि Daddy, who's the best amongst them? Who's the best? ये इतने लोग ट्रेनिंग करते हैं. तो I told my buddy, get him in the morning. तो हमारी ब्रिगेड का टेस्ट था. A 5 kilometer run happens and you have to finish it in 25 minutes and it is age wise. So I told my buddy, make him stand at a point. And I ran that day. So in the whole 5,000 men, I was the first person. So he couldn't sleep for 2 weeks. But daddy is the best. So you need to live that example. So they
Does it
have a
build
lot
pressure?
of it's not pressure. It's not pressure, but they think. I think so. In their peer groups, they say कि my father is now though I'm on the internet, YouTube and everything. So my younger son comes and he says कि my friend, his sister is in 10th class. She sees your podcast. उसको बोला तेरे डैडी मेरे को मिलवा दे. It's just like that. But I want them not to be pressurized, not to be because this generation, it has got enormous potential. I mean, we were not anywhere close to them. Their mental faculties are they are like working. ठीक है, stress. अब हमारे टाइम में एयर कंडीशनर्स हमारे फादर अफोर्ड करते ही नहीं थे, कर ही नहीं सकते थे ही नहीं. हम वो एयर कूलर में सोते थे, रात को नहा ले, गर्मी ज्यादा होती थी तो नहाकर बिना पानी के, यानी कि बिना उसको टॉवल से रैप किए सीधे गीले कपड़े करके कूलर के आगे. I used to go on cycle 10 kilometers to the school, come back 10 kilometers. My son goes in a car. He sleeps in a AC. Now that is what हमारे टाइम में luxury थी वो अब necessity बन चुका है. So we can't say that this generation is totally gone and out. ठीक है,
नहीं, उनकी रियलिटी है,
उनकी रियलिटी है. So
लेकिन ये है कि इनको अपने टाइप से इसको एक्सेप्ट करना है कि मुझे तो एटलीस्ट ये लगता है, और जो कि मैं हर बार बोलती भी हूँ बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम दैट इंडस्ट्री, कि कहीं ना कहीं क्योंकि एडवांसमेंट तो है, आई मीन द टाइम डजंट गो बैक, तो आगे ही जाना है. कहीं ना कहीं बस अपनी ह्यूमैनिटी नहीं भूलनी है. दैट इज द ओनली थिंग कि यू ह्यूमंस, उसको दिमाग में रखना है कहीं ना कहीं अलाइव, कहीं क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो टाइम आएगा जब वो लाइन ब्लर होगी मशीन वर्सेस ह्यूमन.
सो वो लाइक आप जो इसकी बात कर रहे हो ह्यूमन लाइफ की, लाइक दैट्स व्हाई आई टेल माय वाइफ हैज बीन द मोस्ट शी इज द मोस्ट परसिवियरिंग लेडी आई हैव सीन इन माय लाइफ, बिकॉज मैंने अपने सन्स को ग्रो करते देखा ही नहीं है. मैं सुबह 4 बजे पीटी के लिए भी, अगर मैं आगरा में भी रहता, पहले तो हो ही नहीं, तुम अगर आप टी स्टेशन में भी रह रहे हो तो आप 4 बजे पीटी वीटी के लिए, फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग के लिए निकल जाओगे. आप 6-7 बजे तक वापस आओगे, वो स्कूल चले गए होंगे. ठीक है, आप दोपहर को ऑफिस से 3-4 बजे आओगे, वो सो रहे होंगे. आप रात को 9-10 बजे आएंगे फिर. सो आई सॉ माई सन्स ग्रो लाइक दिस ऑन द बेड इटसेल्फ. उधर से देखूंगा वो सो रहे होंगे. आई नेवर गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू see them grow like this. Now I am seeing for the first time and I ask my wife कि भाई ये 14 साल का है, पूछ लो इसकी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड यानी is there. बोला he is not into all those things. okay, and it's fine. But even if it's there, because we came for a very strict girlfriend नाम सुनते मेरे parents तो मेरी भूत बना देते मेरे को लगता है. So my first girlfriend ran off. She was a air hostess. उन्होंने शादी नहीं करनी थी उससे, because intercaste हमारे में होती नहीं थी. I was a Rajput. She was a Jat Sikh. She was a Sardar. So it never unheard of. So it's arranged marriage. तो मैं उसको पूछा कि भाई तुम इनसे पूछ के रखो कि because this generation is evolving, there are so many things going on in their mind. So we try to ask, as tell my wife, so we need to understand those kind of things also. We need to evolve as parents, and this generation also. We should not pile that kind of pressure on them. So we don't do it. Although my wife she is what she is. She was a teacher before marriage. वो तो उसको अभी भी दोनों लड़कों को 4-4 घंटे 5-5 घंटे वो they come first in the class. I have no problems with that. But I am that guy कि थोड़ा इनको बाहर खिला देते हैं, थोड़ा बिगाड़ देते हैं, थोड़ा सा वो बाल उड़ा देगी, बिल्कुल जीरो कट करा देगी, like आमी guys.
आपने एक अच्छी बात यहाँ पे बोली है, which we as parents also need to evolve.
Yeah, we don't evolve. We want them to be like, my parents never supported me to become a cricketer. I would have become a very good cricketer. I would have been a better cricketer as a special forces operative, I think so. But they never supported me. And I don't want to be that father who has not supported his kids. So I don't tell them to join special forces. I don't want them to join army, but if they want to join, it's their wish. But I tell them, then you be the best self. This is how you go with that.
They'll realize that, like you realize, na?
Yeah, we all, but I don't want to put any pressure on them.
Yeah.
And we don't want academically, because I was a very shy kind of a guy. I evolved later in life. So they are doing well. And I generally don't tell people who have done things better than me, कि भाई तू ये कर. I am not that guy. If I am not good at something, I will keep quiet. I am not good at economics. I am not good at handling affairs in the home, यानी घर के काम. मैं उसमें बोलता ही नहीं. जो चीज मेरी अच्छी है मैं उसी में अपने आप को
मैम अच्छे से कर रही हैं तो अच्छे से कर रही हैं.
नहीं, she might be doing it. I have everything for her. But the point which remains to be understood is everyone in this universe comes with quality. You need to accept that.
Absolutely.
As people. Nobody is useless in special forces. The resources, the way they teach you. अगर कोई ऑपरेशन में ये चीज में अच्छा नहीं है तो वो उसको उस चीज में उसकी क्वालिटीज को you must look at a person qualities before downgrading him completely. Nobody is bad in this world. Nobody, everyone has got a USP. You need to understand what his unique selling point is. We don't understand that. That's why we are at always loggerheads with personalities. हम आपस में लड़ रहे हैं. It is like if a guy has surrendered to you and we know that he is not worth living, we will shoot him. Scums on Mother Earth are not supposed to. We will just shoot him. We've done that. I have done that. यानी कि मुझे मालूम है कि ये he is not worth living. He has committed enough atrocities. That's how it goes. That's how it is.
This is general. इसको तो क्या कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, you can.
It is the part of the job.
It is a part of the job. Like what I want to say, there is no per se something demonic I'm doing. I think I don't. It's not. I'm becoming, but I will shoot that guy. I will.
And
It depends upon the kind of thing he has done. Yeah, it depends on that.
And probably that's how you're trained.
And we know that leaving him will be you will be jeopardizing further lives.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, you don't stop. Just do it. That is part and parcel of the game. आप करते भी हो. There's nothing wrong in it. That is part and parcel of the game. If we would have been held captive by them, they would have also shot us and beheaded us. अगर militant हमें पकड़ लेंगे किसी एक आधे को काट देगा गला, वो ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लेगा. So similarly, we have got the opportunity and we know that this guy is not worth pardoning. So I don't have any emotions with that. That's okay. You just do it, finish it, forget it, and move on to the next.
And I think if left, then probably the damage, you don't know what further damage would be caused.
Absolutely.
And then that blame of further damage probably comes on you.
Yeah, sometimes that is morality is striking somewhere. यार उसको कर देते निकल जाता. ये second case ना होता. अब somebody like A guy like which we eliminated was like he was an ID expert. He blew a whole bus of soldiers traveling. You are not supposed to be alive. You have to be killed. 25 guys of our innocent guys who were coming back from leave, he blew up in a improvised explosive device. I will kill that man. We killed him. There's no emotion in it. He has to pay for it. If one man's 25 lives lost, 25 homes lost because of one guy, kill him. We done it. That's what. Yeah. That is how it goes. You can record this thing. There's no problem.
Yeah.
Well, that is how it is. That's. If you ask me, the moralities, there's no morality. In combat, there is no moralities. There are moralities, but then the line, the
I think
difference.
there is only one morality, nation.
Obviously, if you don't stop that guy, 25 more die. 25 of your martyrs. If you tell me that Pulwama attack, 54 CRPF guys died, will you leave that guy? You will never leave that guy. You will not leave that guy. You can see in history, you got hold of Ajmal Kasab. You couldn't kill him for 10 odd years, man. He was in a jail. 176 lives lost by those 10 guys. He survived. You caught him alive. What did you do? You kept him in a jail, made him somebody's fighting case for him. That is atrocious. You don't do that. It's democracy, no? You will have rules. Even a guy who has done this kind of crime, he will have any laws are there. You go by the laws, do it. Yeah, that's how it is. But then this is how life goes. This is you need to draw a line and just do it.
And I think it's good. I think what I feel, not quoting anyone, but over the last years, I think we are gaining power as a nation. At least I feel that.
Yeah, because you need to understand that it's nothing. I'm not a political commentator, but then being a single party in business in the country and one party commanding the thing, it has a huge difference. Rather than a coalition government being at the center, somebody's pulling for this government. एक government है, उसकी vision है,
एक decision
है, and it's going ahead. So be it. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah.
So जब हम यहाँ पे आए गए, any views Pakistan cannot. I'm sorry, don't record this. I don't want to name any country, but how is our stand on China now?
China is a credible threat to us. We are prepared as a nation. I have said it in numerous podcasts. And I don't think we are pushovers. We are never pushovers. It's not 1962. It is 2024 and 2025. We will fight back. We have the wherewithal. We are amongst the top 5 armies in the world. We are combat hardened. We have the best, I would say, leadership. And I don't find it a threat. It is a threat. Things will keep on happening, but somebody thinking कि somebody captures India and something like that happening, oh, it's not possible.
टॉप 1 होने से कौन सी एक ऐसी चीज है जो इंडियन आर्मी को रोकती है? अभी हम टॉप 5
Equipment. Equipment profiling. You need to improve technology, equipment. We need to give it to them. We need to have. We are behind. We need to work very hard as a nation. Leadership, ethos, training, mindset generally is okay, but the equipment profiling needs to improve. If you need to have that kind, and moreover, when we compare with ourselves with the Western armies, they are more expeditionary in nature. We are more defensive in nature. All attacks we have faced. Never our rulers have gone outside. Our kings have, because we are, as a nation, we are like that. So that expeditionary mindset, I don't know who can bring it, but equipment profiling we need to improve. That is, I would say,
Core.
a chunk
कहीं ना
or
कहीं
a missing
Missing
chink in the armor or whatever you call it.
कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया काम कर रहा है उसमें because
Yes,
I
we are
see
working. We are
lot of things
नहीं,
being
we हम उस in the same light मैं ये भी बोलूँगा कि we compare ourselves with the Americans, but they have achieved independence in 1776. We are 1947. We are developing. Our wealth has been taken away from our country. But notwithstanding, we need to work hard. We need to put in the man hours. We need to work more than the clock. So the generation.
लेकिन
I think
एक
so.
चीज-
Saying कि Narayan Murthy saying that 18 hours, 90 hours weeks. You need to put in that kind of way. If you're trying to, because hard work का तो आपका कोई तोड़ है ही नहीं ना. आप if you want to achieve success, what other guys achieved in 10 years, and you want to genuinely, and you want to achieve it in 2 years, you need to put in more.
Triple the
effort. You need to sacrifice your sleep. You do need to do things which normal things are not being done. To achieve extraordinary results, they cannot be achieved by ordinary efforts.
Absolutely.
So that is how it goes.
तो शिवेंद्र सर, आप आर्मी 2 साल हो गए आपको, आई थिंक स्पेशल फोर्सेस
Yeah.
से रिटायर किए हुए.
Yeah.
तो आर्मी से रिटायर होते ही शिवेंद्र कंवर सडनली पॉडकास्ट वर्ल्ड के हीरो कैसे बन गए?
It is much more like God has been kind, people have been kind, and Shivendra Kanwar was whatever he was. He's because of the love of the people. Whatever I did and Special Forces, if you think it was only my will, it was my will, but it was still the support of this great nation and people around me, my family, my friends, the citizens of this country. Now, because of your channels and podcasts and the social media, we are like being treated like, I would not say great celebrity, but then you are known figure in the world. It is again because and love and support of the people. And through this podcast, मैं को ये बताना भी चाहूँगा कि because आप लोगों का love and support रहेगा, तो army, special forces, people who are defending the nation, they will keep on doing their best. It is a two-way kind of a relationship. We work over there because we are being supported by people back home. And people back home are safe because we are there. So it's a joint relationship. It is not a singular effort that we are doing. वो दोनों तरफ से that kind of. So, so I would say it's love. I really like the love and support of the people who have showered these blessings on me. It's because of them. And
So actually,
I have full
we are
gratitude,
thankful.
yeah.
And we are full of gratitude क्योंकि thanks to internet and technology कि इतने लोगों को, बहुत लोगों को मोटिवेशन मिल रहा होगा.
Absolutely.
लेकिन उसमें से भी कुछ हो रहे होंगे शायद जो इस बात पे भी जा रहे होंगे.
Yeah. I that is why I'm saying, that is why I like interacting with a lot of young people. I see so much of energy in them. In our times, nobody was there to tell us कि I was from a special forces or a family of defense guys. So मुझे तो फिर भी बहुत कुछ knowledge थी. But people who are like joining, who are from non-army backgrounds, podcasts, internet, social media, awareness, courses, it's colossal. So why not, if this kind of knowledge is proliferated to them, उनको मिलती है, and they are able to do the best for the country, they are able to live their dreams, and why not? There's nothing bad in it. So it is the correct proliferation of technology which will help people to realize their dreams, and this great country getting
And identify
good
the
operative.
human potential कि हम
Absolutely.
बहुत कर सकते हैं
बहुत
ना.
कुछ कर सकते हैं.
हमने आपको
We
बहुत
are-
लिमिट में रखा
हमने
है.
बहुत लिमिट में रखा हुआ है. Even men, women, children, we can outperform ourselves, and the greatest competition is within ourselves only. If we are able to fight our inner demons, we'll win this war. I think so. Yeah.
Perfect, sir. Yes, we will win, and we will
Yeah.
win it together as a nation.
Yeah, we will.
Quick rapid fire round
Yeah,
for
yeah,
you.
sure.
One word or one sentence.
Okay.
Whatever you feel appropriate.
Yeah.
ऐसी कौन सी एक स्किल है जो हर सिविलियन को सीखनी चाहिए स्पेशल फोर्स में ट्रेनिंग से आने से पहले?
Mixed martial art.
मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट. ओके. हाउ वुड यू डिस्क्राइब इतने सालों का एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ स्पेशल फोर्सेस एक शब्द में?
Outstanding.
Outstanding. Okay, what is your go-to mantra? High pressure situation skill.
Never give up.
Whoa. Mountains or deserts?
Mountains.
सबसे funniest or unexpected moment that you have experienced during a mission.
Dog playing with claymore mine and turning its face towards me.
Okay.
Yeah.
High pressure situations में आप काम कैसे रहते हैं? Any secret hacks?
Just be there. No
Be in the
secret.
moment.
Be in the moment. Yeah.
आपका transition from a battlefield to entrepreneurship in one word.
Not that great.
Okay, 3 words. एक major lesson that at any cost you want that it should be implemented for the people who are there in the corporate world.
Explore yourself.
Wow, explore yourself. What people assume one thing about special forces that is totally wrong.
Glamorous. Glamour, you can call it.
Okay.
Yeah.
5 चीजें वो बताइए जो लोगों में हैं तो उन्हें स्पेशल फोर्सेस बिल्कुल भी ज्वाइन नहीं करनी चाहिए
जो लोगों में है.
और जो लोगों में है और उनको नहीं ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए. If you have those 5 things, then you should never think about joining any army or special forces.
Salary.
Salary.
Love. Relationships or love, you can call it the one and the same thing. Family life. Glamour. And lastly,
Discipline.
discipline. Yeah, discipline should be less. Yeah. Discipline should be less. That was a good one. Yeah.
And the last one.
Yeah.
Who wins the survival challenge? एक ex special forces officer या फिर a seasoned entrepreneur?
Ex-Special Forces officer will win the challenge.
Thank you so much, Shiven Kumar sir. It's been an honor to host you on the
Nice.
show.
May the EST show be the best podcast in the world.
Thank you.
And my blessings to you all and do well. Godspeed. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.